When Autel released the MaxiDiag 802 Pro back in 2012, it was kind of a big deal in the industry. Here was one tool that could scan all systems on OBD2 supported US, Asian, and European vehicles. We even name it the Elite. That's how proud we are of it. And we had reason to be, as that little handheld was the first of many Autel tools to become a technician's go-to for quick insight into systems diagnostics and repair. Let me show you the reimagined MD909PRO. And when I say reimagined, I mean it. The MD909PRO offers so much more. Now it's a wireless Android-based tablet with a Bluetooth VCI that supports CAN-FD. The MD909PRO offers all system scan coverage for 1996 and newer US, Asian, and European vehicles. You can read and erase codes and view freeze frame data as well as live data. There's even a quick browser-based code lookup feature. The tool offers wireless and networked printing and email and text-based report sharing with cloud management storage. The MD909PRO is also an excellent service tool that offers 11 of the most common service tasks with direct-to-system access. The menu features steering angle sensor reset, DPF regen, brake bleed, battery maintenance, and of course, oil light reset. Speaking of battery maintenance, pair the MD909PRO with the BT506 battery tester and you'll have a comprehensive in and out of vehicle battery tester that features advanced adaptive conductance testing for quick state of charge and state of health testing. Finally, the MD909PRO offers free software updates for the life of the tool. And its Android interface ensures those updates are quickly available with just internet access. I invite you to check out the new MD909PRO as well as all of Autel's diagnostic products at autel.com. Thanks for watching.